FloorFast is quite a unique product. It's designed rather like a cam action casting. It self-adjusts to suit different thicknesses of flange up to 15 mil. Anything above that, we can simply insert a little packing between the plate and the casting. You only need access from the top side only, so you don't have to drill. You don't have to drill and tap the flange. You don't have to have another engineer or another installer below it tightening a nut or a bolt. So it reduces installation time by up to 50%, and they are vibration tested. So your normal walking pedestrian traffic going over the flooring, it's not going to work loose. Now the way this works, the casting is installed on the floor plate before you drop it into position. So the flat edge of the casting is in line with the flange that you're going onto. It's then dropped in position where the floor plate needs to be. You back the screw off one full turn, which releases the casting, and then as you start to retighten, friction between the bolt and the casting allows it to rotate and eventually find its own level. It's then fixed, it's then locked in position. Now, as you can see on this bridge here in Germany, they could have easily gone along this section and drilled and tapped the existing angles and bolted the floor plate down. But to do that, they would have to scaffold out underneath. They would quite obviously have to close that section of road. By using FloorFast, they can do everything from above. So there's no drilling and tapping the steelwork, there's no putting scaffold up, there's no access needed from below at all. So they can simply lay the floor plate down, lock it in position, and carry on with the next section. Now they are quite often used around, for example, printing presses. This one's a printing press, or anywhere machinery might need a walkway, but it even allows them easy access below the walkway for maintenance. So if they need to maintain any machinery underneath this walkway, they can quite simply unscrew the bolts, lift the floor plate up, do the maintenance work, and put it back down again, locking it back in position with the FloorFast.